Myntri ka koit khiah jo ka Jylla ba he kula pynpaw ka jingdonkam bat Pynkhlain bat Pynbun ki PHC bat ki CHC ha ka Jylla khnang ban la ban jingsumar haba donkam kyrkieh kani ka jong Myntri ka koit khiah ka long hadian ba ka Jylla kalangat ha ka jingshalin shop ka mai mariang ha ki babon ki yeng ki sem ki balatwa baladan ro ki blaklat na kani ka jinglin shop ka mai mariang Ubayel he kula pynpaw ka jingdonkam ban Pynbun chu ki jaka jingsumar khnang ban la ban Pynbiang habawan ki emergency case Ula pente bru baka sarkar Jylla la dep thai ko committee ka bakar pangla ka long ha ka Jylla la ni hamala ki district ban pe ya ka jingdonkam ban Pynkhlain bat Pynbun ki jaka jingsumar.
We are going to be upgrade and strengthening all the CSC, PSC and also the hospital in the whole state. This we have been doing now. We have already constituted the committee, one committee in the state headed by me himself as the chairman of the committee. Then also we have decentralized the committees in the district level, where it's headed by the deputy commissioner and the MNHO is the convener, a member secretary. So they will take a call on this, call the meeting, whatever with our limited resources, wherever we need to be prioritized to strengthen the healthcare system, we have to do it.
Ulai thuru bakladan ka jing persang manwat ikilat kelinti ban yakun persya ka jing shlai hindre ka jing part kalong biki briu hi kim ko apan ai jakai ka sarkar na ka banta kani kumban chipan kan mau ka Jylla meglaya tang hakini ki asngi kala du adu khatlai ngot ki min sem briu na ka jing tua khando bar ka jing shlai na ka jing jor palat uslam.
Last time we have also sent the proposal how to make expansion and also construction for the protection of the Khrah river. That also we have sent. Then after that, there's so many reasons are there because all the lands belong to private property, belong to private people. So difficult to get the land. Even we have already, during my time, when I was Water Resources Minister, we have got a big scheme for widening, for the construction of the drain, right from the Maupat bridge till Khrah, going through the Langading Mingi, the Maupat, touch Maupat a little bit, then come to Langading Mingi, the Langading Mingi to Nomansong to Punarba till Khrah. But many people, they don't want to part of the land. So how the development can be taken part, cannot be taken part. Just because of the land is not available, we have to request the people, then the people are not cooperating with the government what to do. We cannot do anything.